Right now the soldering iron has been plugged in for about 5 minutes, and as you can see it's still reading only 23 degrees Celsius, so it's like stone cold. So it only lasted, it only worked once for me, and then it just didn't work again. And this is actually the second one I've bought, and this one also didn't. This one lasted a bit longer. This lasted 2 times, and then it stopped working. And just so that you can see that this is a working outlet, if I unplug this and I plug in my phone, you'll see that it's a working outlet.